Hey guys, Virtual Check here, and today we are going to take a look at Anshar 2 Hyperdrive. Now, Anshar 2 releases the 20th, released on the 20th for $20. Now, I'm a bit late to the party. Now, this is not going to be a review video, but instead more of an overview with a bit of gameplay. So, with that said, let's get right into the actual video. Real quick before we get into the actual video, the developer sent me a code to give out to you guys, but instead of doing a Discord giveaway, it is going to be appearing somewhere in the video, and it's only going to appear for about half a second, so keep your eyes peeled. And with that said, let's get right back into the video.
Aboard the Hyperdrive fighter, let's take a moment to familiarize yourself with its controls. Okay, let's take a look at the heads-up display. Great, now the real stuff. Shoot your first laser blast. Excellent. Time to test her speed. Launch the super booster. The Hyperdrive fighter is equipped with missiles as a secondary weapon, as you can see at the top of your HUD. Let's try it. Congratulations.
Comms live. This is Lieutenant Deathmatch. Nothing like a live battle to showcase your skills, eh, pilot?
This is Tango. We're picking up multiple enemy signals, Des.
You want to be a part of Squad Alpha 10, pilot? You'll have to survive an attack from the Nergal, nastiest space warriors the galaxy's ever seen. You've one objective, protect the mothership. Good luck.
You'll need it.
Nergal force destroyed. Tango, could you please?
I'm afraid we had to trick you, pilot. We couldn't risk losing resources, and the simulator is 99% realistic. That gave us the necessary readouts on all your skills, and everything appears optimal. Straight shot, nothing but debris. Transmission from the pod inside the hangar.
I owe you many thanks for getting me out of the clutches of the Nergal, but our galaxy doesn't have much time. I can tell you that we're all in a spot of trouble.
Who are you?
Hans Lochner III. They're
Alright guys, if you did like the game, I'll have a link to the game down in the description for you guys to purchase if you guys want to. And with that said, if you guys like the video, you don't have to do subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, for try check yourself. Peace.